Hello again, YouTube world. Thought I'd make a video today on how to use one of these clutch tool. If you've seen them. See, a lot of people have problems using these. No offense to anybody, but it's always good to have some knowledge, and if you got some, share it. Lots of people can learn. So here's a standard clutch tool. Obviously, you know your crankshaft will slide down through here, but this side here, if you notice, there's two different balls. One side is for installing and one side is for removing. And you can see there's two different style of shoes you can remove here. So let's get into it. You got your clutch. I don't know how visually you're going to be able to see. And you got your springs down there engaged on the crank, on the flywheel nut. So what you're going to do is, to get one off, you'll see there's a groove in the shoe, and you'll see one of these springs is for that shoe. So we're going to take this tool, insert it down into it so it sits like this, right? And you got your crank coming up through the middle here. What you're going to do is you're going to turn counterclockwise until you feel the spring disengage. Then you're going to take this guy, this side, flip this down. I hope you guys can see. Until it grabs, you know how the shoe is split with the spring in the middle? You want to grab right where the spring is by the pin. And then once you got it like that, you just give it a yank and your shoe's out. It's really that simple. And then to put it on, again, it's not that hard. You want to take your spring, get it situated. So what I like to do is, I like to just get it down. So she's sitting like this. Make sure it's lined up with the pin. So we'll go, there we go. So once it's like this, you're gonna leave it out slightly. Again, take your tool. We're a little too low. Just so the spring is on top of the flywheel nut like this. Then we take this guy, slip it back down, insert it down, give it a counterclockwise turn. Now we use this side. Now we use this side, not this side, but this side. Bring it like this. And you give it a push. And remove the tool, and your shoe's on there perfectly. Alright, I hope that helps anyone. If you need a more closer, in-depth video, let me know. Until next time, take care.